I'm Eli Bevins, co-founder of Eli Lou Entertainment and the Film Factory.
I'm Lou Bevins, co-founder of Eli Lou Entertainment and the Film Factory.
So Eli Lou Entertainment, we produce divergent content. A lot of our content is thought-provoking, films, stage plays, spoken word. So we do it all.
The Film Factory is a new initiative created and powered by Eli Lou Entertainment to cater to the independent film community here in Philadelphia. So above the line, below the line talent and crew, from actors, producers, down to makeup artists and special effects, the whole nine.
So in the beginning of 2020, we created the Film Factory workshops where we bring in professionals from different backgrounds, from law, entertainment, screenwriting, filmmaking. And so these workshops allow filmmakers in the area to come out and to learn knowledge about different areas.
So we have a few workshops remaining. We have an interactive acting workshop, which will take place on February 19th. And on February 26th, we have budget filmmaking. So if you're into content creation or want to know a little bit more about filmmaking and how that works, we got you.
So it's Black History Month, and as a spoken word artist, I get a lot of my content from that actually because I love history. I love reading about history. We were raised by our grandparents, so hearing their stories from being raised in the 1940s and 50s and 60s, a lot of that kind of you see in our writing from screenwriting and film and spoken word, and so it's very inspirational to see, the struggles that they went through and then how they overcome. And so a lot of that you will find in our spoken word and films.
Right, and I think the neat part is that we get to create history and we get to add to that, and just seeing all the creatives and just people, creating businesses, entrepreneurs and everything is just an amazing time to, keep pushing out content. We now have, in this day and age, we have access to so much, from cameras to the internet, when we now can tell stories that have not been told yet. So I think that's very important with the field that we're in, and being able to continue history with coming up with new ideas and things that people have not seen or heard of, and also targeting issues through film and entertainment. So we came up with the Film Factory to cater to sort of like not necessarily underrepresented, but we've come from a disadvantaged area growing up where we didn't have access to resources or information. And we all know that film school is super expensive, so we're self-taught in that area as well. But just wanted to share that information and to push the envelope and bring in professionals and help people out who are similar to ourselves to know that you can do this and that you don't need the millions to kick off your dream with your career. So providing a platform for others is just something that we're truly passionate about.
You can find us at eliluent.com. That's ELILUENT.com. And then we also are Eli Lou Twins on Instagram, or Eli Lou Ent across the board on all platforms.